Welcome to the short video presentation of the Beamex MC6. During this presentation, we will make a short overview of the user interface. The MC6 user interface has been divided into several different operation modes. Each operation mode is optimized for a different use. Let's briefly open each user interface mode and see what they look like. Meter. The meter mode is a very simple and easy way to measure a signal. To change quantity, just tap the quantity you want to measure. To change other settings, for example the engineering unit, just tap the unit button and a unit selection screen will open up. You can go back to the home view via the home key or menu. Calibrator. The calibrator mode has a dual display for two simultaneous measurements or generations. Its main purpose is to check and calibrate various process instruments. The first button is for selecting quantity. Touching it shows all available quantities. Touching the next button will show you a list of available functions for measurement and generation. Also, a connection diagram will be shown to illustrate where to make the connections. When you select generation, a number entry screen will appear when touching the value. The spinner functionality allows you to easily adjust a generated value. With the Tools button, you can open various additional tools for measurement and generation. Documenting calibrator. The purpose of the documenting calibrator is to calibrate process instruments and to document calibration results. First, you will see a list of the instruments currently in the memory. These are sent from calibration software or created in the calibrator. From here, you can select the instrument you want to calibrate by touching it. The actual calibration screen will show the instrument input, output and a large error graphic area. Now, you can connect your instrument and do the calibration. When the calibration is done, you can store the results in the calibrator's memory. You can then upload the results to Beamex's calibration software at a later time. Data logger. The purpose of the data logger is to log various measurement signals. It works as a paperless recorder. Touch a channel area to configure the quantity to measure in that channel. Up to 9 channels can be logged simultaneously. You can also configure general settings. These include interval, duration, etc. Start logging with the red record button. Once logging is started, you can watch how it progresses numerically or graphically. You can store the results in the calibrator memory and send them to a PC for analysis. Communicator. The communicator mode is a full-field communicator for HART, Foundation Fieldbus and Profibus PA instruments. First you select the required protocol. Then select either the internal Fieldbus compatible power supply or an external supply. The connection diagram shows you where to make the connections. Touch the green tick to start polling the selected protocol. Now, connect your Fieldbus instrument and proceed. Settings. The settings allows you to edit the various settings of the calibrator. For a more detailed presentation on each user interface mode, please see dedicated videos. Thank you for your interest and hope to see you soon using some of the other Beamex videos.